Alright,
Okay,
now headbang.
Hey.
Alright, enough.
Okay, guys.
Kicking hurts.
Line up behind me.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Okay, who's Tunzo?
That's what I was saying.
Okay, I have no idea which way we're supposed to go, because people are going in different ways.
Well, just follow the group, I guess. I mean, you're the commander. Just take us out.
Hey,
See where.
Alright, follow me.
Yes, sir. I like your hat.
Remember, don't.
Gracias. Okay, let's try that right now. Double line to the left, march.
Hey, someone tell the admin that he's not with us.
Did I not say it clearly?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, I'll say it clear next time.
It's just kind of confusing.
That's too far to the left for the double line, but.
Okay, I guess we won't do a double line.
Yeah,
Okay, reform behind me.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm march.
This is live, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh god. I guarantee that guy that's not with us that had their tag is probably someone in the RGJ.
I think it was.
Or somebody told that Gonzo guy to troll me.
Dang, you got a telescope.
No, I dropped the sword.
Hey, Jello.
What's up?
You want to do a training after this?
We honestly should do a training after
If
this.
you guys want to, yeah, that's up to you.
Yeah, we should.
I'll do it.
I think trainings are very boring.
Well, yeah, but it helps out a lot, though.
Yeah, totally go for it, man. I got a server for us, so
Oh,
Yeah,
dang.
we'll have to.
yeah, no.
Yeah,
Baller
I
over
agree with
here.
that.
Alright, halt.
Is that enemy line right there?
No, it's LA.
No, it's friendly. I was checking. Okay, follow me again.
Oh, there goes the first RGJ. 29Y.
This is a big map.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, now we're getting pwned.
Whoa, what's going on?
9Y are not known as shooters.
Yeah, they're known as
That's
trollers.
for sure.
Team kills.
Oh, he killed Manchester. Oh, look at the 9Y owning RGJ. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Dang.
gotta hurt their line.
Death to the RGJ.
Yeah, seriously, they're killing each other.
oh, there goes the Merc.
Oh, did the Merc die? Oh, the Merc.
Yeah, team kill.
Well, I guess all the action's on top of that hill.
Yeah, I heard it.
Probably best not to go up there with our small line.
Alright,
Not
halt.
that small line, actually.
Right base. Progressive advance, march.
Where are we gonna stop at?
Who's the guy all the way in front?
Oh, that's me. I'm just scouting ahead.
Alright, thanks.
I think we should get back in a line.
Alright, halt.
I think not.
It's just all run around like this the entire game.
Okay, halt. Whoever halts, reform with me.
Yeah, but you got a bunch of allies on the other side.
Alright, follow me forward.
Got leather in his flag.
So are you guys just gonna like assassinate them?
They're friends.
Oh,
These guys are.
We're gonna eat them.
Jimmy, if they have a circle over their head with the flag, they're friendly.
they're not on my screen. That's probably because I'm
See him
spectating.
on this side of the hill? See him
Oh.
over there?
Oh, okay.
Are we gonna sneak up behind them to the left?
Yup.
They'll
Man,
never
this
see
is
us.
pretty epic.
We're not wearing black and white texture colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure we have plenty of camouflage.
Should we open fire?
We should probably stay back and shoot at them.
Yeah, we should stay back. That's not going to be a good move.
That's
if we
a
engage
huge
those.
line. So
There's 2
Huge
lines.
line coming towards us.
Okay, halt. Form 2 ranks.
What?
But we don't need to right now, man.
We're the same.
Yeah.
Alright, open fire. Alright, follow me from the right. Let's get out of here. It's not really the best spot. Sorry.
It's all good.
Let's go over the crest.
Good job, Lee.
Hey guys, I'll be right back.
Guys, in the line.
Let's say RGJ General Polak.
I don't know. It's probably some merc.
Over here, guys. Following the.
Oh yeah, don't follow me. I'm gonna be looking around all the time.
Yeah, they're closing in behind us. Oh, I think our ally sees them. Yeah, they're coming.
Alright, let's form a line over this crest right here.
Alright, halt.
Let us reload.
Why is my
When you finish reloading, reform it like to the left of me.
To
No,
the
we
left
could
of
just-
him.
We should just wheel left.
Like right here to left, like right directed to my left.
Form a pretty line, guys. Pretty line, pretty line.
Create a line, guys. This is out of.
I can't.
That's good
I
enough
can't
right there.
shoot. I got a flag in my clothes.
Alright, 45 now.
Wait, we were supposed to shoot. We have an enemy line coming from that way behind the hill. Over there, if you see him.
I see him. Thanks.
Oh, well.
Open fire.
And
Open, they're over that crest.
Yeah, they're behind the hill. We don't have much to hit.
guys, you're like huge targets to them right now.
Alright, follow me. I'm to your left.
Left base. Break reload, guys.
Oh, almost ran into another line. Alright, this should be a good spot.
Alright, halt. Yeah, face that way.
Did we lose that many guys, really?
Yeah, it just looks like a lot because our line's smaller.
Fire at will, yeah.
We only lost like 3.
Teams are pretty even right now.
Really? I just got shot.
Are we allowed to like scatter the line? Like spread it?
Well, we're allowed to have half-man spacing.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Concentrate fire on the line to the right side.
Did I miss anything yet?
Miss anything?
Johnny Coldstream is spectating me.
Oh, behind us.
Oh, really?
Behind us.
Enemy line behind us. Enemy line behind us. Focus fire on them.
Nice shot, Cole. Oh shit, you got eyeball.
Oh, that's the RGJ.
Yeah.
Oh, dang, Colt.
Oh, there goes Hagman. And Reaper. Oh, they're retreating.
Yes.
Alright guys, turn around.
They're still there though.
They're coming back, I think. I think you should focus fire on RGJ. I think they're going behind that hill and sneak up behind us.
Yeah, they are. They're stopping right at the.
Hey, what if you die? Do you
There's
just
a line
like spectate?
directly behind you.
They're about to.
Form a line right here, coming up, right now.
Can we
Guys, more are coming up from behind.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
After you reload, just fix the line.
User joined your channel.
How's it going, Chomp?
User joined your channel.
Let's do,
RGJ to the left right there. Or to the right.
Alright, follow me.
Yo, you guys, the RGJ is right behind you.
Yeah.
Are there enemies
User
on top
left
of the
your
hill?
channel.
No, but the RGJ's over there.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do a charge them.
Slinky will lead us to glory.
Oh yeah, there's no fire in charge, so don't
Yeah,
shoot
no
while
fire
you're
in
charging.
charge. We'll have plenty of those
Switch-
events pretty soon.
Switch to
There's
Wait, we should just form a line and fire on them.
Well, listen to Slinky.
I'd like to let PTS in effect. 444 Senor.
User joined your channel.
Alright, hold. Right face, open fire.
Top of the leaderboard.
Oh yeah, nice, Junior.
Alright, we're finish reloading. Hold fire. Everyone ready? Okay, aim at the enemy.
User left your
Fire.
channel.
Our teammates are engaging them.
Once you're done reloading, get to my right. Once you're done reloading. Fire.
Make sure you aim for the officers.
Nice.
There's officers.
Shot.
Ah, I got Benaya.
Watch out to the right.
Open fire.
To the right. There's a guy
This is
charging
a
us.
Rambo, yeah. Oh, it got me. Good job.
Okay, follow me. GTFO.
Leonis,
Hey.
no firing out of line.
C Junior, you're in first.
Alright, hold.
Can we reload?
Yeah.
I thought there was 4 of us. Well, not including.
There's a line right past those guys right there. Shoot.
Yeah. Y'all done reloading?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, form up to my right here.
Oh, we're so gonna get creamed. Look at that giant
It
line.
happens,
Okay.
dude.
Open fire. Alright, let's
We're the last ones left. Do you think we should just charge them?
I got good shots, man. Just take them.
I think we can get a few more volleys off.
Oh,
Alright guys, fall
it's
back.
probably best to charge now.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, let's charge.
Well, wait. Is it just us 3?
Yeah, it's just you 3.
Okay, let's just wait here until they come. Fire off.
Yeah.
You have to make a line, though.
Yeah,
Alright
yeah.
guys, let's get right here.
You guys reload fast.
Can we kneel?
Nope.
No.
Wait, don't shoot.
Rose go on the window. Run. Charge him.
Fire,
Charge him.
Fire.
That's not a line, and
He said the rules were out the window.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there goes Slay Knight.
Dang.
Nice lean.
We lasted the longest.
Alright, C Junior, you're taking out next, right?
Hey guys, hang on. Let me get in this one, I guess.